Tú aquí siempre a mi lado, cicatrices que has curado, cicatrices, cicatrices. En la vida me he enchulado y como tú no hay nadie más. Tú un porro y los demás, jamás. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Tú como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Me gustan ellas, me gustan así de rica pa' que la vean. Sin un santo en la piel, pero es atea. Yo la pongo a creer en algo. Mora a las 7 que salgo. Yo fumo Maretini, no sabe inglés, pero siempre dice roll with it. Mezcla de paisa con diosa de Santorini. Un beso tuyo es más chimba que un fili. Ese es el feeling. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, gentle peeps. So this morning we're gonna see if I get some fish by the dock, right? So the fishermen, they go out in the boat to catch fish from Saturday night or so, and then they scale it on Sunday morning and sell it to the same place. So let's see if we can get a fish, some snapper, preferably some snapper. So let's see what will happen this morning. I have some fish, but just fish for steaming and roasting. I have some angel fish, but that's just like steaming and roasting, not for really frying and stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can get some snapper. I'm gonna see if I get some snapper. So we're on Watercourse Road. As you see, with the construction of going on Grand Cayman. Yeah, so the Watercourse Road peeps. Yeah. Let's see if we're getting a fish this morning. Cause it's like 9:24 now. I should have grown like about 8 o'clock. Because one thing with local fish, when you come on to local fish, people buy it. So as soon as it come out, finish. Because people rather local. When people get local, they work with local. So let me see what I'll go on, peeps. If I can get me some fish. Yeah. So we're heading on around here. Everywhere you look is a construction site. Construction going on. Everywhere you're going there is construction. And that's an ambulance. Yeah. There is construction going on again. Right here. Yep. Big construction site. On my journey, and of course I got one cemetery near. Yeah, and this and construction site going on here again, almost finished. So let's see if we are getting no fish, peeps. This is near to the turtle farm and the dolphin discovery. Let's see if we're getting a fish. If the fisherman is down here. Let's see, peeps. look so. Yep. Look like fish there. Yeah? Look like fisherman there. I don't know if they have no fish. It's the people. I don't know if they have no fish. So let's see if no fish there. Go on. Stick and stay.
A bigger ones down underneath there as well. Huh?
Big guy one.
Yeah. One of them size there.
That's one.
Bye.
3. 4. Yes, that's not for the black one, yeah?
Yeah, all these come from the deep one.
Oh.
Soft. The black one, eh?
Yeah,
Soft one, really nice. They good stuff.
Oh, how much that's? That is like about 3 pounds.
Down top my
How much that now? How much that?
This one? 34, 35.
I'm go for money now. So yes, peeps, I get some snappers, you see? I get me some snapper. I got some snapper, peeps. So I come just in time and I'm about to pack up. So it's about $35. Yeah. Not a whole lot, but got some good snappers. That's some good snappers, peeps. So I come just in time. I can't afford to run out of fish and I don't feed. Then I have fish, I have what to eat. Yes, peeps. So stick and stay. Around. Yeah, man. Yes. So yes, peeps for there. Oh. So it's another fisherman come ready for throw out them boat. Yeah. Oh, see the fish. Fish name again. Sure. You couldn't see him, peeps. A very big fish in the water. But then I eat them. Oh, tarpon, the name tarpon. In Cayman, they don't eat tarpon. Tarpon are protected fish. If you go to some waterfront restaurant and stuff, they come out at night, then feed them after 9 and so. Yeah, see tarpon there, peeps. Beam right there. So when the fishermen around here scale the fisherman in time, they are here. And so a nice size snapper this one. Yeah. Very nice size snapper. Start on the peeps. Put it GoPro on the water, you can see. On the far peeps, tarpon and not come near. And more fishermen will go out in a day. If it's a fisherman and a fisherwoman, and girl they're rough, and so she'll go out, you know, her shorts. She gotta be tough to go out in a little shorts like that in her sun. Hey. should step right in on the boat now. Man, you drop, bro. See, peeps? So what you doing? That's your skill. That's awesome, man. You have a skill for a female. I respect that. Yeah. So authentic stuff, peeps. Wow. So they are going out now, peeps. I'm gonna go right through there, so they're going right through there. So there's like a doorway through there. Big boat can fit right through there because there's enough space. Not any big boat still, but good sized boat can fit right through there. Yeah, they're going right through. Yeah, so now go fishing. I like how that sound. But you must know. Yeah, so now right through now, peeps. Oh, she have all cheer night. Sit down, pan. She's serious. She's serious. She even have a chair. That's some serious shit. Yes, peeps. So, yes, peeps. Let's go home now. Let me go home now and get me some breakfast. I'm gonna get my breakfast. I just look at me come around here just in time to get the fish on the man. Just in time. Cause if I come around here a little bit later, then would have gone. Cause normally I come so late. No fisherman around here. It's a boat. The shoot. A chop road. Yep. Fast too. Yeah. They're crazy. You see peeps, even young people have them boat okay man. Having a boat is like having a car, you know? Yeah. People have fun, go out and fishing. That's fun. Yeah. Yes peeps, so let's go home now. Fly the drone, I try the drone a bit. Little drone footage and then go home. So stick and stay peeps. I'm going home. So yes peeps, we're heading home back now. We're heading home. So I'm reversing back. Yes, Janelle, I'm reversing back. Janelle hate it when I say reverse back. If I'm reversing, yes, peeps, so we're heading home back. Yeah. Heading back to Mount Pleasant. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay, not go nowhere. On fire, all the fire, love what you do what you love, do it to the best of your ability. It's a Sunday morning, yeah, and we're heading on home. That is it. So, you see, as I say, later I'm going to do a little cook up, roughly about 2:30 going to 3, so we can finish in time. So, stick and stay. Hell. This Steve, so L is on earth. We are past L. And we are on L Road. Yeah, that is L. So we say, welcome to the Devil's Hangout. And this is L gas station. So we are on L Road, babes. Yeah, so that is L. We have just passed L. Alright, babes, stick and stay. I'm going away. And it's Sunday morning. Yeah.
La baby no es de motel, pero mal azote. Saco la cámara y ella quiere que la enfoque. Quiere video conmigo para que se toque. Así es Ricky sin retoques. Contigo soy un bacán, yeah. Somos como el yin y el yang. Sin forzarlo se nota, yeah. Tú y tu curiosidad, yeah.
So yes, peeps. So me have some fish in the night, yeah. Can you see? Night catch me. If you not watch it live, and tell us I cook. So I have 3 red snapper, 2 red one and a black one, but inside a snapper, inside a deep fish, then catch it. So you see the guy, when you big, because a deep snapper.
So that's the vegetable.
Yeah, that's the vegetable, but the biggest one.
Yeah. I say, I was just watching the video. I show you when I come back. Where this Jamaica girl thing, this in the Bahamas. You ought to check, do so many videos from the Bahamas, but she does standing in the water, right? The 2 biggest lobsters like this. And they got, then, because she knows it's a boat, like this on the boat and thing, you know, having a trip out. And she go down, she speared the lobster, fish, grouper, snapper, conch, everything. You know, I can show you what I'm like, you know,
okay.
a couple different things in it, you know, a couple of bits.
Yeah.
You can eat, I find Jamaican, I was in part of Jamaica too. Kingston and Montego Bay.
Okay.
So you get tonight, but
Yeah.
you should see it back by the Bahamas. And the way you go to look at the lobster, the conch. You can see sometime in the tide with them.
Yeah.
You can stand on the shore and see the conch. Go
In Bahamas.
Pick them up, you know.
Yeah, I never forgot Bahamas any time. Yeah.
I can bring a big one island, yeah.
You see Steve telling about Bahamas and the fish and lobster. Easy catch over there, so Steve is from Bahamas. And you know, peeps, as I say, I'm gonna cook some fish. So I'm gonna cut up the fish now. Get them ready. As I say, it's dark. After 8, now I go to 9. I'm just gonna cook paper. But I'm not eat nothing substantial from morning. Can you believe that? Yes. Man, that's not good, not true. That can't be good, Pete. That's not yellow. Fleshy is a shame. Love it. I wanna look fleshy, peeps. I wanna look like a lionfish. What kind of lionfish? Yeah, big guy. Yeah, so I get this ready. Cut it. And I cook it with some mixed veg and I cook some mixed veg and Irish potato with some brown stew fish piece. With some brown stew fish. Brown stew fish. Yes, yes, so this man may get them fish here. And I wait, put about on my bed, we'll get them. Right by the sea. Fisherman go out last night. And then go up to scale this one when you buy it from them. Yeah. So I get a good amount of fish. I have it in my fridge now. People are supposed to out of fish right now. Yeah. So clean up it properly. And then cut it. Let's see if I cut this again. Fish are fleshy, peeps, that one. Fleshy. I'm not buying a buy that one like this. It is very fleshy. And let me tell you, you see now fish, if you not fry fish head, make sure you say You have it deep fry because if the fish too big, the head big, you're not going to fry properly. Like a deep fry. You know, I like pot. I have a brown stew there. Make sure you got some sharp knives. Sweeps. As I said, the fish are fleshy. So you have to bust out the tail. Put the knife in it so you can season it properly. And when I season fish, I cut off all the fin and everything. That's not now. Just run on my hand. Then cut out all the fin from the back everywhere. So I season it, not the definite choke in my hand. So it's a Sunday night. I cook my supper. Don't be supper. Supper is gone already, people. Don't be supper time gone. So I can say dinner I cook, and at supper I cook. So I cook more like breakfast. Monday morning breakfast is. And frying pan is so big. It's can hold nicely, but I choose to cut it. And peeps, I'm going to edit that video tonight. So even though I work all day, I'm not going to bed like until probably after 1, 2 o'clock. So and still I can get up early. And I have an early appointment. Yes, peeps. This is it. As I say, do what you love and love what you do and do it to the best of your ability. But if you love something, you're going to do it. Eventually, you make money from it. But you have to do it for the love first. Not just for financial gain. But of course, anything you expect to earn a living, anything you do. But first, about the love. So stick and steer. I'm going away. I'm going away. Yes, I still didn't want the fish water there. And steer and thing. And I'll try it nicely to put out the door. And then throw them back in here. And guess what I'll go on now. This is another put on in our face. Some lime. So I have a big lime. So cut it in half. So now I use the other half. And then the lime is big and juicy. So I leave half in the fridge. I love to use lime for my fish. I don't like to use vinegar for my fish. I like lime. The lime juice is good. Lime is juicy. Yeah. Yes, yes. I'm going to do like this. I'm going to use the hand towel and dry them. Because when I use the hand towel and dry them, dry the water by it and then fry, you have less splashing up. I'm going to put hand towel. So peeps, I'm back with the hand towel. Yeah, right. So when I use the hand towel and dry it off, yeah, then I season it up, plus I season the pan. And now, a lot of water in it. So by the time you throw it, when it put for oil well hot, you throw it, splash up on your more. Quick and fast peeps, like I say. But you know not take long still to cook this. You know not take long to cook this. Keep and must get them out in dozens. You must get them hungry to look food. You must get them out in dozens. Yes, babes. Stick and stay. So yes, babes, we're there. Yeah. Make sure now see everything on. Go on. Don't go on. Now, and some carrots. Yeah. So a little bit of carrots because I don't want too much seasoning in it, but still. You know? I don't want too much seasoning. Unless they become fast. That is it. If you can't cut too big, cut them again smaller. Because they don't want to just steam quick. She's currently on the cook still. Carrot can eat raw, so you don't really, but you don't want it too big neither. Don't want it too big. One piece of pumpkin. Piece of pumpkin, peeps. Maybe buy the local pumpkin another day. Give her peel, but I'm going to peel out the skin outside. Those are the nutrients. Yeah. Just like this. Long out. So, here on the skin. Put up a little smaller too. So, just rich in it. Yep. We don't have time now when I just blend on coconut. But we don't have time to keep. I can blend coconut when I have the kitchen to 12 o'clock. So peeps, you don't follow me, you don't cook so late, it's not good for me. Like me good for. Because we're not going to bed now. I ain't gonna go to bed now. I have lots of things to do. I'm gonna beat it. Yeah. And all that. Be quick and fast. I'm gonna have some sweet pepper. I have a big sweet pepper in the fridge. So I don't want it to spoil. Put it in the freezer. So it's frozen. But it's thawed already. Imported sweet pepper, yeah. I'm gonna like still. So I use it on the side. So I use few side dips. Tomato. Imported tomato too. Imported tomato. I like it. Because I use this side too. Let me say everything I like, not sure. But I still use it. I like it. I like it, but I still use it. Cook it quick and fast. And then I have some time. Look up the onion. I thought I took up the onion piece. I'll go back another room to cook the onion. Didn't took up the onion. At the time, see the time now? I like the big tough part. I think it's necessary to use all that. inside. Big pot. Oh, smoke. I didn't take out the onion, please. Or the garlic. And half the garlic. Quick and fast, peeps. Late night pot this. Peeps. As I say, this is not soup, this is not dinner, this is not supper. It's come like a breakfast. Monday morning breakfast feed. In a Sunday night. This is definitely Monday morning breakfast in Sunday night. See if it comes okay. Onion. Onion there. Yes, a mixed veg forward, Steve. Mixed veg forward.
You come with the mix?
Yeah, man.
Okay, with $5 leave, I can use that till tomorrow. I fix it back up to $5.
No, give me change, man. How much change? You get $5?
Yeah, but I use $2 gas. I want to gas.
Alright, you get $3 then. Let me get back 2. When I give me tip, no people not give me so much tip enough, Steve. Yeah. So yes, Steve's cut up the onion now. Season piece, but look at the pot. The knife pot, look at the dish. And a seasoning there. And then, this one out. Put half of the chips. And wash out of the bowl. You cannot put them on the board. Because it comes nice skin, see me, and I know the skin in there. That's why sometimes things get contaminated. You know what is what. Dirt this will come from. And all that. This will come from 4 pigs. Yeah. No, how they angle them. The Irish give the food body also. Yeah, man, I know. Nobody play it's a copyright. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I know her. She's Jamaican. Yeah. She ain't Tiffany. I know her, man. Portland she come from.
So you not see kind of big?
Yeah, man. Portland she come from. I know her. She's from Portland. Smell it, yes, it's strong. Guess what does, man? Yes, please.
Smell it?
Yes, smell and I go buy gas tonight, please. Yeah, it smells strong, man. You smell it?
Thanks so much.
This gas smell like you're gonna finish tonight.
I thought the bag was the costing. So we had bag and I keep it.
I'm tired, Jack. Tired then. Skin piece, I love to use my pumpkin oil. Grace when I have to go sponsor me. Yeah. Just use some season on the fish. something noodle. Yep. This is how we do it. Like this. Yeah. I don't use the noodle part.
Ron, alright?
This is how I did this. Yes, I'm going to throw away the noodle pot. And then I have some Jamaican seasoning for peeps. Yeah. Put on it too. Jeez, I must get that. Buy the whole peeps. Because I'm hungry. And the dark seasoner, it's a hot, not mild, but hot. So I have the pepper on my hand because I have no hot pepper. So this is just perfect. So, and Steve, where I saw fry some fritters. That's all for fritters, Steve?
Pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
Oh, no fritters, a pancake. So, I think of fritters. Fritters we call it, you know.
We call it pancakes.
The pancake. Steve said pancake, please. I think pancake come in a box, but Steve said pancake. Hope it's not too hot, peeps, so not put too much. Yeah. Peeps, so this I go fry. Fry them fish, I know, man. Just a couple minutes, go and marinate. Meanwhile, I peel and Irish get put up so everything ready. At the same time. Holy smoke. Teeth, fish teeth by my peeps. Yeah. Yes, peeps, stick and stay. I'm good now. So yes, peeps. Peel Irish potato them now. Yeah. Cut them and cook fast. I'm gonna make me some mashed potato, but I'm not make it like everybody else make it, peeps, because I'm gonna use butter. I'm gonna use mayonnaise. I don't use butter and I don't use mayonnaise, so let's cook the Irish with some mixed veg. Yeah. Pancake, I'm ready still.
It's coming to come.
Eh?
Getting there.
It's getting there. Let's see. Yeah, Irish will quick this. Irish will thick. See, I'm gonna cook quick, I ain't giving no trouble. Peeps, I'm cooking my Monday morning breakfast. Because this is not dinner or supper. I eat breakfast on Sunday night. Oh boy. Struggle is real, peeps. So that we can drop raise. But that's I don't know what I'm cooking about. What am I going to eat? Light food is my thing. I love real food, peeps. I love real food. I think this Irish is enough. Me alone. I'm gonna cook like a restaurant, I'm gonna cook for. I cook like Steve, you know, cook big pot. Don't you, Steve? I cook like you, I cook big pot.
No, we're trying to do quick. We just got this meeting with all this out to that way, that's it. Yeah, you know? You gotta fix things.
Yeah, quick.
You got time to do like what you're doing now?
Yeah. There's no time for that, Steve.
They lose customers, they have to put the salt and pepper, that to that, but value find that's it.
There's no time for that. So you have to cook your own meal. You go to the restaurant and no time for that. Anyway, peeps, peeps. So put on the pot, the water, the potato, and mixed veg, and the frying pan are hot. So the fish going in it. So I'll show some oil in it now. Some oil. So it's ready. It's ready. I am hungry. I the pot not up fast enough. I know I'm not boil up fast enough. But like everything I'm slow to me now. Because I am hungry. Oh. Okay, stick on steak. You know, put in the fish then. So yes, peeps, the oil seems like it hot, you know. Well, you could have hotter. Get a little bit hotter. Oh, pot of boil up the bits. Pot of boil up the potato. Show up the water on it. Enjoy it in. So put in the potato and the mixed veg at the same time. Now it's the fish time. Now it's the fish time, please. Time to the fish, put in the fish. So that's it, yeah. That's it. No more than 3 pieces all the time. Yeah. Right now this. Yeah. Already. That's my head snapper. Over here so we have mixed veg and my potato. And as you say, I'm gonna cook some. I'm cooking some Irish potatoes with mixed veg. I'm gonna crush it, but no mayonnaise, no butter. That is it. Stick and steam. We're gonna on fire, hold the fire. Yes, fish. Yes, fish. Fish on my turn now. Turn the fish. I'm gonna burn the fish, please. Let's turn the fish. And no bother, burn the fish. Look at that. That is it. Look at it, take and zoom in on it. And now I'm bring my phone to near to eat today. So the fish are big fish, deep water fish. Cameron can tell you now about it. Because the man they know about them fish here. So yes, fish. And then there's a well. Cook fast in too. Yeah. As we say, I'm hungry. At the same time, I have to plate them back at the same time. So I'm done cook. And I got something to do beside me. Eat. You can stay food. But peeps, all this time I talk to the camera and I record. So what I mean do? I take out the fish then. I was like, I didn't record that. And I keep the side fish and the dead talk. And I realized that when I record, I never record the fish of it. Yummy. So now say, this fish tastes like, it tastes like soft like a fry, easy to fry. Take out, steam this. You have to make sure that the vegetable steam first. And then you put this on top of the vegetable after. So it tastes good. And the fish, not enough of season. Let me see now. You don't give a taste somewhere. Let me follow the taste. You don't have taste. With the flips. So, the next version is done now. This is so hot. That's why I say if you can't stand the heat, then get out of the kitchen. So now, what I'm gonna do now. Now I'm gonna throw the mixed veg on the Irish, another dish here. Throw it on the dish there. Take it off 5 pounds in this dish. This, I'm try to throw out the hot water. I'm try to throw off the water. After this, but it's too hot. It is too hot. Black over hot and water come out of the hot. So, this thing to do is to use a strainer. Holy smoke. Back over the hot. I want this hot. Oh my god. Now it's easier. Yep. So I do it so now I put it in another dish now. Put it in this dish, throw it in this dish. What angle you have? Yes. And then, I want to show about this quick and fast. Put it back on fire. Quick and fast. Put it back on the fire, peeps. Make it go on hot. So I can put in that veggie knife. Yeah. You get some sweat? No what time now? I'm sweat so. Supposed to about up at 10 now. About after 10 now, I'm in the kitchen cooking. You want to run the fast enough? You show it out. And say, come on fast. The water drain out. Put a little bit of oil in here. Just a little bit, not too much. Yeah. Just a little bit, not too much, just enough. Yeah, I wait for it to act a little bit, then we put in vegetable by yourself. Come on, fat. So I'm going to put in this veggie now to cook on my fish. So now let's let this go and steam a bit. Yeah. Yep. And put a bit of water in it now. Just a bit of water. Just a little bit of water to it. Put a little bit more because you're not even cover the vegetable. Just don't want too much water. Yeah. Couple of that. Yeah. So now that one steam now. Meanwhile, then fish over yourself. The last set is on fry. And most time, when I fry last with the fish, it always burn, but not today, Bobo. Yeah, not today. Ooh, ah. Ooh. This is hot fish. So it's sun hot, come now, kitchen hot. Yeah, I'm going to my room cool. Can't have it my way everywhere. I'm going to do the cover for this now. And I'm going to do the cover. Oh, cover it right here. I got the cover right here. But now it's good. You see me have a light here. Use up a light and not even much use. Yeah. You know, if I get 2 more lights, and that will be okay. I'm not have to use a ring light. So yes, tips. So that's how I push this. I need to stay there. I'm gonna use no butter and no mayonnaise. I don't want no butter and no mayonnaise. I'm gonna use butter. I'm gonna use mayonnaise. Call my mother. Butter not really good for you. I just like to butter sleep up, I see it will sleep up in your body. So I don't use butter please. I'm gonna think you're the digest butter. That's my belief. I don't have no scientific proof. Yeah. That is it. See like this? That is it. Fish sound like I'm not ready to come off now. I still have to wait for the next vegetable to finish. Show you before I cover it up. So look now. Yes, no mayonnaise, no butter. Yes. So I say this. Kitchen hot. So then, when I water and throw water from when you stick and stay. I'm gonna just bear with me. Just bear with me. That video is gonna be a long video, you know. But such is it. Such is life. Yeah. Yeah, the fish can come out now. So I'm gonna take them out now. Yeah. Look at what them fish here. Right about now. Right about now. Put it a piece of black snapper, as I say, and easily break up. See up tips, some fish here. That's my brown stew fish. Anyway, stick on stay. I'm gonna know it. So yes, peeps. It's like ready to take in the fish now. Like, I don't want it on, but I just wonder why that's sitting for anyway. Yes, peeps, it's ready now. It's definitely ready. Oh, yeah, so it's a shot, yeah. Yeah, peeps. It's ready now. To take in the fish, put in the fish. So, put in the fish there right now. It's just the right amount of water and everything. Now I may use a fork in the fish. I can use my hand. I need to use my hand. So, get one spoon now. You do it like this. You want to look at something like this. Yeah. Same time, you know, break up the fish. Like something like this. Then, yes, turn down. And give it about 5 minutes. You know I'm done clean up here, so I'm gonna see me again. I'm supposed to wash here, stick and stay. I'm gonna wait. So yes, peeps, you should know what time it is now. It is time to share. This is my favorite time. Time to share. So, take out the fish first. Yeah, so it's some clean up at the kitchen. Because I'm here alone use the kitchen. It's a shared kitchen. Yeah. I shared kitchen with cook, so clean up the kitchen and cook. Yeah. So even though I'm not eat all day, I'm still not going to eat too much. I'm still not going to share too much. Yeah. So I'm going to take out a piece of the tail and put it on the mashed potato. Yeah. And that is it. Eat for health, not for the fun. Yes, dear. Make sure so not catch everything. Yeah. I'm gonna catch everything. See look at that. Look at that. Make sure so I get a good thumbnail with me. Yeah. Just look at that. I am here. Where are you? Peeps, mixed veg. No miss no butter or no mayonnaise. This is just delicious. There, look at that. Just look at that. And on the side, you have some grape juice. Yeah, grape juice and pick up a bottle of juice at the supermarket because I couldn't buy no juice. It's a little bit sweet, so I add some water to it. I don't like nothing sweet. There's it. So me eating breakfast early Sunday night. Late Sunday night, I should say. Because this is not dinner, and this is not supper. So it must be Monday morning breakfast. Peeps, this is delicious. So delicious and hot. So peeps, thank you all for watching because I have a whole good seat to sit down and full jar this. So thank you all for watching, for liking, for sharing and for subscribing. Enough love and respect. So until next video, remember, love what you do what you love, and do it to this ability. Peace out.
Más chimba que un fele, ese es el feeling. No te echan, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no a tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel, yeah. La baby no es de motel, pero me la azoté. Sacó la camarilla, quiere que la enfoque. Quiere video conmigo para que se toque. Así de Ricky sin retoques. Contigo soy un bacán, yeah. Somos como el yin y el yang. Sin forzarlo se nota, yeah. Tú y tu curiosidad, yeah. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro